What's going on, guys? I've got a 2012 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to use it to point out to you how to change the little side marker bulb right there. So let's get this hood open. You pop the hood from inside and you push up on this little lever here. Now the replacement bulb we're using is going to be this tiny little baby bulb. I think it's 158 is the part number. Now in order to get to this, if you look down in here, you can see there's two connectors. The one closest to the camera, the gray connector, that is actually for the turn signal, but it's the one behind it, that's the one that we're after. So if we reach in like so, you know, I can grab the turn signal pigtail and rotate it clockwise and just pull it out. So that's the turn signal / parking light bulb. And this one, I can get this one out now. That is for the side marker bulb. So I'm basically just reaching in here like so, ripping these bulbs out. So to get this one out, the bulb just comes straight out of the connector. You just grab it and yank it out. And get a new one. You'll want to look inside the connector as well to see if you can see any signs of corrosion. And you just push the new bulb in. Listen for the click. And you find the hole for the connector, push it in and turn it clockwise until it locks. You can then get this bulb back in where it belongs. So yeah, that about covers it. Now I've got my side marker light working. I hope this helps, and let me know if you guys have any questions.